Okay, I just ran some tests, voltage measurements on this machine here. You can see the power supply is just a little power supply, power transformer there. AC coming in through here. And this is interesting what they're doing here. They're bringing the AC directly into this connector, right directly on the control board. This is new to me. I have not come across a setup like this on the other machines, and I have several machines that I've done work on, but this is interesting. They're bringing in this connector here, the AC line right here, and then I don't know if they're distributing. This goes to the bed, the heater of the bed here, and it's connected in also in parallel with this switch right here, which allows you to operate this machine from 110 to 220 volt, depending on your location. Typically, I set these at 110 for U.S. Operation here, American operation. But I just went and measured the voltage, the output voltage. This tells you right there, it says output, and it gives you the pluses and minuses. So I just stuck my meter DC voltage across the red and the black. That's distributing. Look how clean this is. I really like this, what they did here with just one cable directly to the control board. Nice and easy. Very accessible, and so it is outputting 12.3 volts DC, which is fine. It's not varying the voltage, and the capacitors are flat at the tops. An indication of the capacitors going bad and the power supply maybe acting up is when these capacitors start bulging. Having this little crown on top of the surface there. That's when the capacitors start to go. They start to dry, and the thermal qualities of the capacitor, the charging qualities, I should say, of the capacitor start to diminish, and they don't hold proper voltages, and that's when your power outputs diminish, and they don't supply proper voltages to the circuit board, and therefore, other things start misbehaving in that respect. So I just went through these checks here with the voltage checks. I also checked the voltage at the output here. This connector right here, this dual pin connector, is this red one right here that connects directly to the hot end, the heater for the hot end here. So that's 12 volts. It's got 12 volts there. It's working just fine. As far as the output here, I don't know if that heater is. I haven't tested the heater. I haven't gone that far, but I just wanted to check the output here. I am getting 12 volts there. So I'm going to